On today's episode, Vinfast moves fast on EV production. Today's episode is brought to you by Engineering.com, a globally trusted source for engineering content. Check out this and many other exclusive videos for the engineering professional found only on Engineering.com TV today. If you were to start a major automaker, how long would you expect it to take to become a global player? 10 years? 20? Well, Vietnam's first billionaire auto entrepreneur, Pham Nhat Vuong, is a relative newcomer to the industry, founding Vinfast LLC as part of the Vin Group conglomerate in 2017. Vinfast has followed the traditional path blazed by Japanese and Korean automakers by beginning with licensed production of existing vehicles, for Vinfast starting with BMW designs. Mass production began in 2019, but in January 2022, the company announced that by the end of the year, internal combustion engine vehicle production will stop and Vinfast will refocus exclusively on electric vehicles. Now, overseas export markets are a priority for Vinfast, who established an office in Frankfurt, Germany in 2018, then took advantage of a significant pool of engineering talent in Australia, made redundant by the withdrawal of Ford and GM operations. Vinfast operates a 1.3 square mile factory in Vietnam at Hai Phong, as well as a former GM plant in Hanoi. Now, the company is growing, expanding and shifting operations worldwide, and while Vinfast has announced their intention to produce electric vehicles designed to be both American and Euro compliant, the company this week announced that it has begun construction of a $4 billion electric vehicle operation in North Carolina, where the production starts scheduled for 2025. While Vinfast intends to supply the American market with domestically assembled product, the company began delivering imported vehicles for the California market in March. Vinfast has the engineering capability to design and build world-class electric vehicles, but timing is a question in the current market. Both Tesla and BYD are engaged in a price war in China, and in America, electric vehicle inventories are building on dealer lots, no small result of generationally high interest rates. If current Fed interest rate policy drives the U.S. into recession or stagflation, Vinfast may launch U.S. production into a market that delivers very thin margins. But the commitment is clear, and the first phase of the North Carolina project represents a $2 billion investment to produce 150,000 vehicles per year, a production volume that can deliver scale economies sufficient to maintain profitability in a commodity market. But will American consumers warm to Vietnamese EVs? From an engineering perspective, there's no reason to believe that Vinfast vehicles will perform differently from electric vehicles built by the current mainstream manufacturers, and the vehicles on sale now are decidedly conventional looking. Current automakers work hard to develop brand loyalty, but with effective standardization. Well, that's it for today's episode of This Week in Engineering, brought to you by Engineering.com. For our deeper engineering series, visit Engineering.com TV for exclusive shows like Manufacturing the Future, Designing the Future, and the Engineering Roundtable, not found on our YouTube channel. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.